for welcoming you all to my channel That Chubby Chick, and today I'm gonna shoot a video. By the title you might have guessed that my Instagram followers are gonna control my makeup look of the day. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So first steps first, I had asked you kind of a skin prep question 2, in which I asked should I do a DIY scrub, coffee scrub, or I should do this Mamaearth Upton. And for the longest time you guys were on coffee DIY, but then to my surprise it turns out to be the Upton face scrub. So now it's time to wash it off. Now we're gonna apply our very own moisturizer. And one last step for this skincare thing is moisturizing your lips. So yeah, I'm done with the skin prep thing. Now moving on to like actual makeup and the steps you have answered. So the first step was to skin prep. We have done that. Second step was the base makeup, and by 60% only BB cream, only BB cream 1. I'm gonna apply dots of it. Here's my mirror and I'm gonna look into it while applying this. I think it's blended quite well now. I'm moving on to applying the like base powder or compact powder. Moving on to the next step, that was blush, and by 76% subtle blush has won, so I'm gonna apply that. A really subtle blush, like isme if you could see, this side is subtle and this side is dark pink, so I'm gonna use the lightest of pink and gonna apply it. I need to be careful with this one. So this is what my base makeup completely looks like. And now moving on to the next step, that was eye makeup, which has like disappointed me because मेरे को colorful bright eyes करनी थी, but it came to neutral eyes with 53%. थोड़ा सा और हो जाता तो शायद colorful eyes जीत जाती. It was super close. So yeah, moving on to neutral eyes. I don't know what to do. I guess for neutral, brown tones would do the work. So I'm gonna apply like apply dark brown on the like outer V, and on the inner V as we go like in, I'm gonna apply light brown. So this is what I have thought. यही आया दिमाग में और कुछ आ नहीं रहा है neutral eyes को लेकर. So yeah, let's get started. Taking the darkest brown that I have, I'm gonna apply it on the outer V. Pigmented. Oh, I forgot which brown I took. I feel it's looking pretty. Yeah, now I'm gonna fill inside like on my lids. So yeah, I'm gonna choose a really light, like skinny color, shimmery. I guess these were my neutral eyes. थोड़ा सा dark brown और इसको blend कर देते हैं आपस में. So I'm done with my neutral eyes. Now I know it's not the perfect V, but I am not a makeup artist and I don't know how to do makeup. I'm learning, and I'm learning on this YouTube journey. So yeah. Now moving on to the next step, that was just a second. That was eyeliner, and by 73% wing eyeliner 1. And for the eyeliner, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite Lakme Insta Liner, and I'm gonna apply it on my eyes. So yeah, a winged eyeliner coming on your way, guys. So we're done with this eye and this eye, both the eyes with the wing eyeliner, and I kind of applied an exaggerated version of what I apply every time to do a slight change. And now we're gonna move to the step, I don't know what number, but next step please. It's lipstick, and I really hated this thing cause neutral eyes with nude lips, like where's the sense guys? कहीं तो कुछ कलर लगाने दो. इतना nude makeup मैंने आज तक अपनी जिंदगी में नहीं किया है. But चलो, I'm gonna search for a nude shade which matches this look. I guess a nude brown shade would do the thing. Let me apply and see if it looks good. I'm gonna go with it, otherwise I'm gonna drop this plan. I like it. And now moving to the next thing was that a matte lipstick or a glossy one, and matte one by 77%. That was a huge like thing that most of you wanted. So this is kind of like matte only, so I don't think I need to change or do anything else. So it looks like a really plain nude kind of makeup. But I guess मुझे ये brown इतना पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, इसको थोड़ा dark करना चाहिए, तो मैं इसमें कुछ dark shade मिलाऊंगी. Dark brown भी है मेरे पास शायद. मुझे nude लगाना है. Oh my god. I'm gonna just mix it up a little bit. Alright. Not gonna do it all over. Oh, I don't know this is nude or not. In the mirror it looks nude only. I don't know why in the camera everything looks darker than it actually is. So I'm gonna apply kajal first. I'm gonna apply kajal only on like half of my lower lash line. Now the next step is I'm gonna apply some white kajal on my like inner lash line. I love applying white kajal because it just like opens up the whole look, and I guess the look's complete. And yeah, this was I guess the last step, or am I missing something? So we're done with the makeup, and now like a part comes where I have to do thoda si mehnat, and I don't like doing mehnat. I'm a very lazy person, and I had wished कि काश curls आ जाते तो मुझे तो कुछ करना ही नहीं पड़ता. Just I had to like make a tight choti, and सुबह मेरे बाल curl होते हैं कि it's curly and frizzy by nature. So but now तुम लोगों ने straight choose किया है, so I'm gonna bring a straightener, a flat iron, and I'm gonna straighten my hair. Now what I thought was that before changing my hairstyle I should change my clothes. So here it goes. You guys heavily disappointed me for this challenge. There's something. Yeah, so I wanted this look to be like white shirt and colorful eyes and like nude lips and like such a makeup that was exactly opposite to this one. So yeah, and now I'm gonna straighten my hair. By the way, I think that my curls rock this look better than the straightening thing. But since you guys told me that I should straighten my hair, so I'm gonna do it right away. Now with this we are towards the end of this video, and now I'm gonna share a really important detail with you all that this shirt isn't mine, it's my brother's. और इसको भी शायद ये वीडियो देख के ही पता लग रहा होगा, पता नहीं वो देखता भी है कि नहीं, but चलो छोड़ो. Hey brother, this is your shirt and thanks for it. So yeah, now I'm gonna give you a really important set of instructions that you must follow. It's a must follow guys. It's not like you need to, it's a must follow guys. So it's number one, you need to subscribe to my channel, hit that red subscribe button and turn it to grey. Do not forget to turn the black thumb blue if you really like this video. Let me know that I look better in such nude shades, nude makeup, or do I look better in the colorful and dark lipstick kind of makeup looks. So yeah, that was it for the video. And also, if you want to be part of, like, to contribute in such videos of mine for the future, do not forget, this is the most important step out of the lot. Do not forget to follow on my Instagram. This is my username and the link will be mentioned in the description box. So thank you so much. Bye.